Welcome to KAFA. If you want, Array and mirror rotate your design. Then, go to Menu, Advanced, and then Add Auto. Array mode, convention means normal. Now here, how many rows and columns? Row space R means the distance between two rows. Column space C means the distance between two columns. Again. Machining mode, convention means normal. But mirroring by Y means opposite side mirror. Mirroring by X means downside mirror. CW 90° means design 90° rotate to own position. CW 180° design 180° rotate. Then CCW 90° means design 90° rotate to own position. Now we run a design mirroring by Y mode. Click on OK and click on Start button. And yes. And look at it. This feature is very important for furniture designer. Features of kafastudio software are different from other control system software. Thanks for watching.